In this video, I will be talking about Kolobok Adventures, how to play Kolobok Adventures, how to do breeding, how to do the adventures, and how you can put these items that you get from Koloboks to you for you to earn money. So I'm going to talk everything about Koloboks right now. I'm also going to teach you if you're just a beginner yet. So I'm going to log out for a moment. So as you see here into my browser, okay. So you just need to log in via your Wax Cloud wallet. So if you're playing Alien Worlds, if you're playing RPlanet, okay, you can just log in your Wax Cloud wallet so that you can have Koloboks as well. So the first thing that you need to know here is, of course, for you to have a Koloboks, you need to go into their shop. So where are their shop? Okay, I'm going to show it to you right now. Uh, So you can buy Koloboks here in simplemarket.io. Okay, so you can even start for less than one wax, two wax. So it's really easy for you to start. Okay, so as you can see here, you can even buy a holobok for less than 0.1 wax. However, we actually want to look for pretty much higher price, because we actually want to have a generation that has a, I mean, we actually want to have a lower generation. So as you can see here, it has 19 generations. However, it is recommended to have a generation more like 6 Gen 7 or Gen 8. So for a moment, I'm going to check for uh, what kind of Koloboks we could buy. So as you can see here, this one is, oh my god, that's $91. So let's open other Koloboks here. As you can see here, this is Gen 6. Okay, so this is pretty much a good Kolobok to buy. So if you have wax in to your balance, you need to buy at least two. I think it was two Koloboks or three Koloboks before you can start playing. Okay, so after you've bought your Koloboks here, I'm going to explain to you that you can have a breeding. So you can just breed here. Just click this button right here. So as you can see, there is a breeding part. Okay, and then just select two Holoboks that you want to breed. So as you can see here, I do have two Holoboks. Just enter your baby name right here, and then of course it will appear here in the breeding section right here, which of course if you've opened, you can see that it is breeding for 13 hours. This one is 12 hours. So breeding, it has a 40% success, and if it is failed, the holobok that will be born will be dead. So what you just need to do is, of course, you just need to breed again. So what else that I can probably talk here. So for you to play, I mean for you to get items inside Kolobok Adventures, you need to put your Kolobok into adventure. Okay, so it's really simple. Okay, just click the start adventure right here, of course, and then put this items that is available. Okay, that is pretty much available right now. Okay, so I'm going to pick this one because it also has an experience with bear and wolf. So I'm going to put this one into adventures, and probably if you are having adventure with wolf, okay, it has a higher chance that you can get a rare prize right here. So you, as you can see here, it is 80 80% chance. If you're going to play, if you're going to uh, pick wolf, okay, there's a 10 chance that you can get a rare, but of course the risk will be lower that the holobok will be lost. So there's a grandma here, there's a rabbit, there's a wolf, there's the bear, and the highest and the most difficult part is this fox. Okay, so take in note that you just can't put your Kolobok into adventure and just enter fox, because if you are pretty much want to manage your risk really well, you actually want to try it with bear or even in wolf. Okay, because if this one die and this is the like the best Kolobok that you currently have right now, then probably you can't even win even wolf. So I'm just going to put this one into adventure. So just of course confirm everything. Okay, so I'm going to put another one just for the sake of this video. So start adventure, put I'm going to put this one. No, this one. So I'm gonna put this one into adventure. Okay, so I'm just going to uh, choose wolf in adventure because it has pretty much the risk that I can contain in myself. So as you can see here, um, adventure info, speed 119, stealth 0.83, the risk is 30%, the adventure time is 15 hours. So that's why this one is good, because what you just need to do is, of course, if this one actually finish, you will just collect if there is a prize that if you win and you got a prize. So um, what is the prize right here? Okay, what can you actually get when you are winning these adventures? So I'm going to show it to you right here. So as you can see here, um, in the prizes part, okay, I do have office simple desk, I do have microphone concert, I do have as well another desk and convertible pink. So in this part, okay, you can stake it inside RPlanet so that you can earn either, on which if you convert it into wax, it will you can convert it into wax, and then even you can convert it into TLM Alien Worlds, and then you can withdraw this one. So this is how you make money on Koloboks. So you just breed, you put them into adventures, and then the price that you get, just put it into staking inside the Koloboks. Okay. So I'm just gonna go here. I'm going to show it to you. So as you can see here, for the uncommon part, you get 1.6 Ether per hour. For this one, I get 3.2, I get 1.6, I get 4.8. So what you just need to do here is, of course, you just take everything that you have right here. Okay. So I'm going to show it to you again. Just sign the transactions, stake everything. Okay. So it's this one is pretty much passive income that you can get. Okay. And the only risk that you have here is, of course, the adventure part. So you actually want to contain uh, more Koloboks, and then just aim for to get a prize, and then just stake it inside the RPlanet. So uh, of course, after this one is born, then probably you can use it for the adventures part, on which you can earn prizes, and it's of course it's going to be easy. It is really rewarding for you, especially if you want to stake more and get more Aether. So as you can see here, my reward now is 667. which before it was 656. And take note that if you have 1,000 earning per hour, you are earning, I think it was 1,500 ADR per hour. You are earning around 1 watts per hour. So 1 watts is around 0.2. Okay, so if you times it up by 1 day, then you are earning around $4, $5 per day on that single one. So um, let's see here. I have a 667 ether. So as you can see here, my daily is around $5. Okay, if I manage to double this one up, my daily will be $10, $20, and so on and so forth. So that is it for this video. Of course, I forgot to explain to you. Okay, so the more speed that you have, okay, the higher chances that you will win, of course. So this is the two parts that you should be mindful. If you have a green area right here, this it means that it is good for adventures. However, if you have a red part over here, as you can see here, I do only have a speed of 7. This one only have a speed of 6. Then probably it's really slow. So I'm not going to recommend you to do those. Okay? Always aim to put something into the adventure that has a higher speed and really good stats, because in this case you will win more adventures on, and in the future, of course, you will get more prizes that you can stake inside RPlanet. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. This is not an RPlanet video, but I've shown you how you can make money in Kolobok Adventures, how you can play Kolobok Adventures. It's really easy. Okay, you don't even need to spend a lot of time on this one. Maybe you just need to claim this one, but you won't spend a lot of time on this. And see you on the next video.